Hey, good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning, which is a lazy morning for me this morning because I didn't get up and ride. Yeah, my wife is psyched. I didn't get up and ride. I decided to take it easy. My back has been kind of weird, my lower back, which is, anyway, it's a thing that happens every now and then. Drinking out of my awesome mug. Again, thank you, Kevin O'Loughlin. I love these so much. And I'm making the world famous breakfast burrito. Excited about that. We've got a bunch of work to do at the shop today, so it's gonna be awesome. I love you guys. Let's get on with the daily Shlog. All right, here we are, rock and rolling. Both Zach and I are dealing with carburetor situations. Yay! Zach's struggling with an old, this is a YZ250F with an FCR carburetor that's acting weird. Might go down the mid-body gasket path, but we're going to try desperately hard not to. Mainly because the guy's got a ton of bikes here. This is the guy that brought 5 down. We're trying to get him done so he can get after it. I'm finally back on the ZRX. Finally got a petcock for it, so we're going to replace that. See if that doesn't solve our running issue. And then we got to service it, fix something on one of the forks, and anyway, a few other things. Yeah, then we'll move on from there. All right, guys, so we have a learning moment now with Andrew Neal, who rides with us a lot. And what happened this morning, Andrew, when you went so you got up early, you went out to go ride, and then
I got a flat about 15 minutes into the ride.
Yeah, we've been talking about Mousses for a while now, and he's been a little resistant. Not so resistant, but like, oh, well, I'm gonna do it eventually. Well, guess what we're doing? We're putting a Mousse in right now. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna solve his problem. We're solving the flat issue. And just like that, Andrew's problems are all gone. We just take care of problems here. If you have problems, let me know, and I'll solve them for you, whatever they may be. So yeah, SRT Mousse, really not that great. They're good for a little while, but they wear out super fast. I won't carry them anymore. Even though the nitros are having a problem with like sizing quality issues, they're a way better Mousse. So yeah, there we go. We'll wash that thing off. Andrew, put it back on. Are you going to ride again today or no?
Tomorrow morning.
He's going to ride tomorrow morning because the flat ruined the whole day. That's what happens.
Now I got to go do housework.
See? He can be riding his motorcycle. I can solve like literally all kinds of problems for you. If we can keep you riding, you don't have to do housework. You don't have to do all kinds of things. It solves the COVID-19 problem because you're out by yourself. Pretty much, Highland Cycles is like a magic wand for your problems. Sweet. So it's reverse mail time. Just had a Shane from Coeur d'Alene, Idaho call and buy our Makuni TMX that has the jet kit and jet block gasket and all that thing done to it. So super stoked to send this to him, and he's just gonna bolt it up on his 18300 and it's gonna work good. So really excited about that. Going to open it up, check it, make sure everything's good again. You know, I don't know, it's been sitting here for a while. And then we're going to pack a whole bunch of cool stickers and dirt bikes, bands, things like that in there to surprise him. So hopefully he'll be really, really stoked. And he watches our YouTube channel, so hopefully he gets to see this. Shane, thank you so much for buying this. I'm excited to get it to you and have you have a really, really, really good running bike. All right, guys, so it's been crazy today. Lots of people coming in. So not a ton of me doing things, but I do want to show you Zach having as much fun as he's ever had on this 1090 KTM, which we're super stoked to have the work and very happy to help Rafe out with this bike. But holy moly, are these things like a pain to do little maintenance on. So the air filter is underneath the tank, and the tank is this huge thing that's got to come off to get down in there. Again, we are definitely not complaining because we're getting paid very well to work on this motorcycle. But if you have one of these or buy one of these and you want to do your work yourself, a lift like this, super duper handy, really handy to be able to work on it. And then just know that you're going to spend some quality time with this motorcycle to do the normal maintenance, because it's quite a thing, like quite a thing. But it is a really cool bike though. I think it's about 100 horsepower of dirt bike, so that's super cool. Got the petcock replaced on the ZRX. I'm now cleaning the pod filters and they're going to put that back together. I don't know if I'm going to get that done today. I got the carburetor boxed up to ship out to Shane. Thank you so much again, Shane. Appreciate that. I think I'm going to wash my bikes because I'm going to go ride. Again, a massive thank you to Robbie Noyles. Robbie, we are picking up the KDX 200 tomorrow. So stoked. Thomas is going to ride that. We're going to definitely shoot some video of that. Him riding a big bike for the first time. Well, him riding a bike that's going to be his, that's a big bike for the first time. He's ridden my stuff and whatever, but so that's going to be awesome. But, ooh, I want to tell you another story of things that I've found in motorcycles, because like I said, I know that this Shlog hasn't had a lot of technical stuff going on with it, but so a while back, I used to work on Harleys. I don't work on them here anymore because I just really don't enjoy it, so why do it? But a customer brought a Harley in as a big bagger, huge big batwing fairing on it, and he had an electrical problem in the fairing, like speaker wasn't working or something. Anyway, what an electrical problem. All right, yeah, no worries, drops it off. Those things are a nightmare. Anyway, I go take the fairing off, and it kind of comes off like in two pieces with all the, anyway, it comes off, and I found, and I'm not kidding, 12 dead mice in the fairing of that Harley Davidson. Yeah, Zach's laughing at me. I did not throw up on this one. I threw up on the last one I was telling you about, but I didn't throw up on this one. But I found 12. We counted them. They all fell out on the ground, and there was 12 dead mice on the ground. It was absolutely disgusting. And they're all dried up and shriveled up. And then, of course, there was like bedding and all kinds of stuff. They've been living in this thing for I don't know how long. So, yeah, again, make sure you comment below any crazy things you found in motorcycles while you're working on them, because that was special. It was nuts. All right, I'm going to go grab my KTM and wash it. All right, guys, it's the end of the day. I know. Not probably the greatest Shlog that you've ever experienced, but hopefully still fun to watch. And let's talk about, I am now done testing the Sedona 208 SRs, because put my other wheels back on the KTM. There they are. They're all worn out. I'm in talks with some folks about doing some tests, some more tests on some Michelins. I'm trying to get that taken care of, some Starcross 5 mediums. But I'm putting this out to you guys. First of all, here's the Sedona. After probably 30 hours, the thing looks amazing. The rear tire is really good. Here's what the front looks like. That's oil from the floor. They held up incredibly, incredibly well. I like the rear tire. I don't like the front tire. There you go. But here's my question. Should I set the front up also tubeless? The rear is going to stay tubeless. The front, should I set it up tubeless? Comment below if you think I should or shouldn't. Either way, just comment below. Let me know. Also, what tires should I test now? Because I am going to leave the rear tubeless for you guys so I can test some tubeless setups. What tire do you guys want me to test on tubeless? Like I said, the Michelin's, I'm going to try to get a set of Platinums from Nitro. So we're trying to work on that situation, which should be all good, no problem. But what should I test for on a tubeless setup? because I am going to stick with that for this set of wheels, mainly for your guys' benefit. I really don't like the tubeless. I don't like having to fiddle with it, but I'm happy to test for you guys, and I have a spare set of wheels, so I can always swap those out.
Oh man.
What?
Do not need one of these.
Zach just had a lot of fun.
Oh shit. I didn't even get out of third gear.
Yes. That is awesome. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear it, but I was in there talking to you, and then he pulls up, and all I hear him do is laugh a whole bunch. And I have a spare set of wheels, so I can always swap those out.
Oh man.
What? That is awesome. Is that the first big, fast motorcycle you've ridden?
It is.
Yes! Zach now knows why a lot of us don't have street bikes. Because they are nothing but trouble. But man, are they fun. Oh, that is awesome. Yes. Look at the smile on his face. Look at it. That is awesome. Yes. Oh, yeah. That's sweet, huh?
It's pretty, yeah, it's too much fun.
Yeah, you don't need, no one needs that. Well, we all need it, right? But like, you don't need it. Yeah.
Like 30 seconds is good. It's like, yeah.
Yes, that's awesome. Oh, that is awesome. All right, guys. So I'm going to shut her down. Let me know what you want me to test on tubeless and whether I should set the front up tubeless or not. Yeah, I'll do whatever you guys want me to do because that's what this is all about. Helping you guys out, inspiring you guys to do awesome things and get out and ride dirt bikes. Yeah, I'm done. I got to push a bunch of stuff in. You guys are awesome. I love you. Get out, spread the gospel of two wheels, and please, 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 find some time to ride your dirt bikes.